Okay, we've kind of been out of touch for a little bit, but Andrew Bird for that ass.
Is that your phone?
Busy with. He's up there somewhere, busy whistling and looping and doing all kinds of crazy shit. This is fucking awesome. Chicago native also, I believe.
Andrew Bird, baby!
Yeah, it's nasty.
What's that song? Mitosis? Meiosis or some shit?
Yeah, that's what that is. The sweet pluckings of the violin strings.
Loops everything
Yes.
by himself.
Yes. Alright, so somewhere up there is him solo just being a musical mastermind. Awesome. Alright, signing off.